along with helping people with their hearing, we also help people with tinnitus. And tinnitus is when you have a noise or sound in your ear that really other people can't hear it. It's actually fairly common, and it's more of a nuisance than anything, but it is something that should be looked into and checked for. Some people will have ringing, or they'll feel like it sounds like they have crickets in their ears, and having a full audiological workup is appropriate and necessary to figure out if there is a medical need that you may have or a treatment that we may offer for that.